welcome to my channel. Welcome back. The moment y'all been waiting for. To all the SS Camaro lovers, the 5th gen Camaro lovers, 6.2 horsepower, the moment of truth. So I got it running. Gotta get a tune, man, cause that junk there is chopping crazy. Battery, they gotta charge the battery up because the battery is dead. But I'm telling you, it sounds real good, boy. Ooh, we can. But yeah, I'm finna let y'all ready, get a little walkthrough around it and look at it and check it out. Tell me what all the mods and modifying I can do. Think about putting a turbo on. think about that there. She look good, don't it? Well, I'm undecided on the color. I want to change the color out and do a little more modifying to the motor. Do me a little breathing box for it. Maybe I'll make one. You know, had the skids to do it. And I was thinking about a purple, a baby blue, or maybe a swamp green. You can like and subscribe. You can comment. And I want all the Camaro fans to comment and tell me more modifying things I can do to it. Because I really wanted to make